If Firefox is refusing to open new tabs, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your browser working again. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because of a bad add-on, a broken setting, a browser glitch, or even just a keyboard shortcut problem. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it safely and get new tabs opening normally again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we'll test whether a browser add-on is causing the issue. Extensions can sometimes block tab behavior without you realizing it, especially if they've been updated, misconfigured, or are conflicting with Firefox itself. To check this, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox, then select Help and choose Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to restart, so click Restart to continue. Troubleshoot Mode starts Firefox with most add-ons temporarily disabled, which makes it one of the best ways to find out if an extension is the problem. Once Firefox reopens, try opening a new tab. If new tabs work now, that's a strong sign an add-on is causing the issue. In that case, go back and disable your add-ons one by one until you find the one that's broken. After that, you can remove it or leave it turned off. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to reset the browser using Firefox Refresh Tool. This is a very useful fix because it clears out bad settings and can repair issues caused by browser corruption while still keeping important things like your bookmarks and saved passwords. The one thing it does remove is your add-ons, which is actually helpful if an extension is behind the issue. To do this, click the menu button again, then navigate to the Help menu. Select More Troubleshooting Information. On that page, look for the Refresh Firefox button in the top right corner and click it. Firefox will guide you through the reset process, and once it's done, try opening a new tab again. For many users, this alone solves the issue because it gives Firefox a clean, fresh start without wiping everything. Now, let's check a hidden browser setting that can also affect tab opening behavior. If JavaScript is turned off, some browser functions and website tools may not work properly, and in certain cases that can interfere with tabs opening correctly. To check this, click in the address bar and type about config, then press enter. Firefox will show a warning page, so click accept the risk and continue. This takes you into advanced settings, so be careful not to change anything else unless you know what it does. In the search box, type javascript.enabled. You should see the setting appear. Make sure it is set to true. If it says false, just double-click it to switch it back to true. Once that's done, test opening a new tab again and see if the issue is fixed. If new tabs still are not opening, the last simple thing to check is your keyboard shortcut. Sometimes the plus icon in the browser interface may not respond properly, but you can still open a new tab manually with your keyboard. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and T at the same time. On Mac, press Command and T. This should open a brand new tab immediately, even if the button on screen is not working. If that works, then the issue may be limited to the tab button itself rather than Firefox as a whole. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are test for broken add-ons using Troubleshoot Mode, refresh Firefox to clear bad settings, check that JavaScript enabled is set to true, and use the keyboard shortcut as a backup way to open tabs. These steps cover the most common reasons Firefox stops opening new tabs, and in most cases, one of them will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another Firefox issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.